Hello guys, so let's look at a new question from CAT 2021. In a football tournament, a player has played a certain number of matches and 10 more matches are to be played. If the score, if he scores a total of one goal over the next 10 matches, his overall average will be 0.15 goals per match. On the other hand, if he scores a total of 2 goals over the next 10 matches, his overall average will be zero point 0.2 goals per match. The number of matches he has played is. All right, so I just request you all to pause the video and give it a try, and then you can resume to look at the solution. All right, so guys, let's look at the conventional approach to solve the question. We can make equations to solve this one. All right. So one way is you assume the number of matches he has played as, let's say, n. Okay, and the average, okay, before like the last 10 matches are played, okay, when only the first 10 matches have been played, let that average be a goals per match. So from the first condition, guys, if he scores a total of one goal over the next 10 matches, his overall average will be 0.15 goals per match. Okay. So if the number of matches played initially were n and the average is a, the total runs scored till now are n multiplied by a. To this, if he's scoring one goal more. So now the total goals are n into a plus 1. Okay. Divide them by total number of matches now. Initially, n number of matches were played, and now 10 more matches have been played. The total matches that have been played are n plus 10. This is equal to the average 0.15, right? That is the first condition. From the second condition, guys, if he scores a total of 2 goals in the next 10 matches, his overall average is 0.2. So n multiplied by a total up till the first 10 matches plus 2 goals divided by n plus 10 is equal to 0.2. All right. Now, next step will be to divide these two equations, guys. When we divide these two equations, we are going to get 10 plus 10, n plus 10 cancelled. We will get na plus 1 divided by na plus 2 will be equal to 0.15 divided by 0.2. Right. So this on simplifying will be, you can just multiply both above and below by 100. So you will have 15 by 20 and cancel out 5. So 3 5s are and 4 5s are. And the next step is you can cross multiply, guys. You will have 4na plus 4 is 3na plus 6. Or you have the value na is equal to 2. This value of na you can substitute either in this or you can substitute in this equation, right? And you will basically get the value of n, that is the number of matches played. For simplicity, I am putting it here in the first equation. So when you do that, na is equal to 2. So basically 2 plus 1. I am substituting na as 2 here. So it becomes 2 plus 1 divided by n plus 10 is 0.15. So now we'll get 3 divided by 0.15 is equal to n plus 10. So 3 upon 0.15, guys, you can multiply above and below by 100. So you will have 300 divided by 15 is equal to n plus 10. 15 ones are and 15 20s are 300. If n plus 10 is 20, that gives us the answer n is equal to 10. So initially 10 matches have been played. That is the answer to the question. All right. But guys, there is a very quick shortcut to solve this question. Let us discuss that now. 10 more matches are to be played, right? If in the next 10 matches, okay, in the next 10 matches, if he basically scores one goal more, then the overall average becomes 0.15 goals per match. Or whereas for these 10 matches, if he scores 2 goals, the average becomes 0.2. That means if you compare the difference in the number of goals, it's basically 1. And the difference in the average, it is 0.05. Since there is an increase of one goal overall, the average increases by 0.05. That means the total number of matches should have been 1 divided by 0.05. That is equal to 20. So total 20 matches have been played overall. out of which 10 matches were played later. So initial number of matches is 20 minus 10 or 10. It's a very good shortcut, right? And to understand this shortcut in detail, I recommend that you go through the topic averages in the second module once again. That's about it.